What's that?
What's up? Hey, what's that? What? No, it's not a clickbaity thumbnail. Perfect. So what's this? Tell me.
Today, I probably received my Recaros for the Z.
Probably.
So,
I mean.
Yeah.
I think if you can read,
Slight chance.
there is a chance this is exactly that.
There was an if. If you can read.
Ah. Good point. Good point.
Anyway.
Don't just talk. Just show them. All you have to do is like cut these. There you go.
I have no idea how.
6 more to go.
Oh.
Okay. And now I think you can lift the top. Just grab it and lift it up.
Shit. Okay. I think this is a,
oh no!
I
Yeah,
think
this one's probably a box.
Yeah. Give me.
So what we ordered was 2 pieces of Recaro. Recaro?
Recaro.
What is a Recaro? So
It's a Chinese Recaro.
This is the real deal though. So 2 pieces of Recaro Pole Position ABE seats, which are TUV.
Spoiler alert!
Yep, TUV certified. So it's basically road legal. At least we hope.
The car is
so.
not going to be road legal for.
Well, after a while, but for now it is a road car. So.
Unfortunately. If you donate on my streams.
Look, give me.
Yeah.
No, no, that's not how you do it.
How?
Grab this motherfucker and slice it open like that. But not your.
Why do you always have to be right? Leave me alone, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, keep.
Leave me alone, I know what to do.
I actually don't know what I'm doing.
But you're doing, I guess, fine so far. Oh. Oops. Da-da. Oh, I think these are...
Lego!
Probably, yeah. So these are probably the mounts, side mounts. These are definitely the sliders, obviously.
Can we fit those? Wow!
Oh, a bunch of bubble wrap.
Hell.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one is upside down.
Just like me, usually in GTA.
Ah,
90% of the time.
all the time, not
Oh, look.
60% of the time.
It has a pussy.
Jesus Christ, this.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on, that's for your balls. Because that's the bottom of the seat. It's a ball chiller. Serious topic though. Do you know what this is for?
Seat belts and stuff. So like, because there are seat belts that come from like the 6 point or something.
They are called harnesses, but yeah.
Yeah, harnesses like this.
The
way,
five and six points harnesses. The bottom 2 ones would come through here. Yeah. Strong.
Can you bring me a pillow or something?
You got a whole seat. Is that not enough?
Okay, that was kind of funny.
Kinda. Paper first can come out. We don't need this.
Dang!
Oh, it's pretty neat actually. We got Recaro stickers to make your car faster.
Oh yeah!
Teilegutatschen. Pretty cool. Operating instructions. Blah blah. Nice. This seat is really small actually. Oh,
Perfect. I'm gonna
this is
put
nice.
this right over there.
This is nice.
I mean, it's actually wouldn't be that bad.
Okay. Don't stick your sticker on your stuff. Come on. I know a good way, a good place for the sticker. Come on, come on.
Ring?
Nope.
This?
Exactly. That's what I wanted. I open it halfway. You can leave the bubble wrap down there and put the seat on it. There you go.
This is light.
Yep, that's not exactly heavy, is it?
No.
Oh man, this looks so good. Jeez. That looks really good.
Oh. Look at this, and then look at this.
Yeah,
Slight upgrade.
I mean, yeah. I think this will look right at home in there. And you promised to give me the other one for me to use in the Sonic, right?
No.
No? You sure?
Are you sure about that?
Sure about that. Are you sure? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure? Totally sure? 100%?
Yeah.
Damn it.
I mean, if you can buy
it was worth a shot. So.
but for twice as much money.
I mean, turn your head like 90 degrees. Oh, that explains it.
I found a picture of
It just turned off.
of a Z with these seats, and they were white, and it looked sick.
I mean, yeah, it was sick, but probably not too practical. You know, honesty. Yeah.
Bro, this is gonna be like light blue, and the other one.
I mean, maybe you can.
Don't come in this area.
What's?
Oh.
Bruh. Okay, maybe you can hop into the seat.
I don't think so. This is not gonna. No.
And seat position is going to be kind of like that.
Family.
That's gonna be a thumbnail. How does it feel?
So good. And it's
Right.
actually way better than I thought on the shoulders. Like it's so
Holds you
good.
better?
It's a bit flexible
This
too.
this is the important part. Like
Yeah, that's so.
around the waist.
It's so good. This is so good. Oh
Yep.
my, bro. Like this part is literally missing.
I mean, yeah.
Damn.
Jeez.
I did not want to see
These
it.
seats are. Oh my god, yeah. They are spot on.
It's so fucking good, bro.
I didn't think there would be a seat that's better than the ones in my Megane, which are supposed to see us.
Alright, let's not talk too fast because it's not in the car yet.
Yeah, I'm just talking about the seats themselves, and
It's so good.
bloody hell, yeah,
Bloody hell.
it's good.
Am I going to buy some for this?
Probably not a good idea. Fixed buckets for a cabrio was like whatever.
Although,
I don't
you could
really
actually
get
get these with Recaros.
Yeah, they are hella rare now.
Yeah,
I
that's the
think
problem.
they go for like 2,000 pounds
Each?
a pair.
Oh,
but
bro.
that's the
You
price.
scared the crap out of
That's
me.
basically the price of I think it's close to the price of brand new Recaros Sportster CSs, which are non-JCW, like non-factory option.
I don't care. I want the JCW stuff. Anyways, back to this car.
Oh. Doggo. Right.
What's up?
That was
Wait, yeah.
less than enthusiastic.
Yes. It's
It
very
should
hot.
be. It's hot outside, but
Yeah, we've got the seat
Drip.
rail. At least like the left side.
yeah, we have the left side on. You
And
wanna
I'm
do
gonna-
the honors?
I'm gonna look at this. This is not going to be.
Nice.
Nice.
Epic.
So as you can see, we got body clap super low down seat rails, which are adjustable.
Are they? Really?
Yeah, slightly. Look at it. This this side.
Yeah.
So there's the rail. That's exactly how it looks. Right, so step number 1 is taking the stock seat out, I think, which is a task Georg will do, and then we continue on with step number 2 parallelly, which is going to be me mounting the rails. We have to measure stuff and then fit these brackets onto the rails, in a proper position. In a proper position, yeah. Which will be measured by measuring the holes on the seat, the distance and the width of the seat.
Yeah.
And then we are going to test fit the seat to the rails. And then we are going to put the whole thing in there, test fit there, have Georg sit in it, see if the angle of the seat is right or not, see if it works, and then we'll remove everything, tighten the seat onto the rails properly, and then put the whole thing back in, and that's probably it. I just realized this car probably already had some different seats installed before, because the original zip tie that holds this cable onto the seat, which you need to remove the seat from the car, and this is not the original zip tie, and the same was the situation here. This was already destroyed and it had a different zip tie, so I think this front left seat has already been removed at least once. The front right wasn't, but this one definitely was removed at one point. So, front left seat is out, which means it's time to clean this mess. And then we are going to test fit the rails. Excellent, it's just amazing. So yeah, I think I'm going to test fit the rails before he comes back with the vacuum. Another thing I just realized, the front left seat has a sensor for the seat belt buckle, so I'm going to have to route it back from under it, and we are going to have to use it with the new seats. He's still on wrenching on his own car, understandably. We run into a bit of an issue, which is now solved because this piece is no longer straight. Yeah, a couple well-placed hits with a hammer and it's all good, thanks to a couple of friends in a garage not too far, because I actually did not and still do not have a vise. So it should be fine now. With that angle it should both right through the belt hole. Let's see how it goes. What we are doing now is first of all putting the seat one slot higher, because it was hitting on the rail itself and distanced it, so we couldn't really fit it. But otherwise, also look at this piece of junk Recaro supplies. These are supposedly 10.9 bolts, but so these are basically a pile of junk, including the washers. You can only tighten them maybe once, and the head is already gone. So
Great success.
good thing we had another set, but for the other side, I think we'll source some
Yeah, if you buy
12.9 ones or ones with different heads, because
So I
it's
guess
honestly terrific.
I guess I want to
terrific,
say
terrible.
that if you buy Recaro seats, just buy like better
bolts, yeah.
Yeah,
These are the bolts that come with the Recaro consoles, which we do have,
Also,
but
these
we didn't
rims
use.
are weak AF as well.
They are called washers.
Washer, I don't know.
Yeah. So these are a pile of junk. We are switching to, well, new ones, so hopefully they will be alright, but honestly, I am disappointed in Recaro.
My disappointment is immeasurable and my day is ruined.
That is not ruined, but yeah, my disappointment is immeasurable. Yeah, so yeah, switching these for new ones, and then
Putting
later
it in,
on,
hopefully.
yeah, hopefully next thing is actually mounting the seat. Yeah.
Yes.
Ta-da!
Done! Finally! Ooh, it is good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I think Georg said his feet are not any lower than before, which was a problem for him because he's tall and his hands were hitting on the steering wheel. But the seating position is much lower, I think at least like 50 mil lower, so that's quite significant actually. It feels nice and snug. Yeah, the belt buckle doesn't bother me. I think it bothered him a tiny bit, but it's alright. It feels pretty good, really. So it was a massive pain in the arse to fit. Well, not a massive pain in the arse, but it was more of a pain in the arse than we expected it to be. So the body club rails are good, I think. The seat itself is excellent. The bolts that came with the Recaro side mounts, which we had originally planned to use, well, those bolts, they are terrible. So I think we tightened them twice, not even to spec yet, and the head was gone. I was happy that I could loosen one of them so I could change it. So it's a 10.9 rated bolt, so it should have been fine, but it was a rounded head one, and I think the hole for the hex key is a bit too shallow on them, so I probably would use other bolts if I was to fit these into any car, really. So otherwise I think Gergő is pretty happy about them. We see if we would like to put the front lower a bit. I don't think we should, because this is the ideal seating position. I do believe it is. But we'll see. If it suits him better, of course we will, because this is his car. So after all, 10 out of 10, would recommend. I don't really want to get out of here. Yeah, looks great. Looks factory basically, especially with the black rails. The rails move quite hard actually, but I think they just did a little movement to get them moving properly and get them lubed well. They do have a bit of grease on them, so that should help. So I think that's probably going to be it for now. Gergő is tired, so he went into the house. The boy is gone. She was here a bit ago. So anyway, that's going to be it. That will conclude the video, and thank you very much for watching. as always, of course. And until next time, stay cool.
I'm gonna buy a front lip. I have no idea when. And I think it's going to be pink. And it's gonna look.
I don't think it's going to be pink. No, 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 no.
Let me know what you think.
Tell him it's a terrible idea. No.
Yeah. It's gonna look epic.
Okay.